Hi.
Hi.
Alrighty, so what we're doing today is we are going to measure specific gravity, which is just fancy talk for how much glaze chemistry to water ratio is in our bucket. So what you need to do first is you need to get yourself a cup. You're not going to use pretty regular. This is just a Tupperware one. See, it says Josh's special cup. And then you get a digital scale. And what you're going to do is you're going to set the cup on there, turn on the scale so it's zeroed out, and then fill your cup with water until the scale reads 100 grams. And then what you're going to do on your cup is mark a line right at the very top of the water, so you know where 100 grams of water is. And there you can see my little notes on the side of the cup there. Then what you do is you get your glaze in question that you want to test, and you begin to fill it until it reaches that water line. And a little more. There we go. Alrighty, then what you're going to do is you're going to look to see what your scale says. So my scale says 136. So that means the ratio of water to glaze chemistry, I have a little more water than I do glaze chemistry. If your number is very, very high, like in the 150s, 160s, 170s, that means you have too much glaze chemistry and not enough water in your glaze. Now, your glaze providers, if you are not mixing up your glaze from scratch, should give you a number for the correct ratio of water to glaze chemistry. So again, if you have too much glaze chemistry and not enough water, your number will be very, very high, and you add water to make the number come back down to what you need to do. If your number is very low and you need to bring that back up, meaning you have too much water, what you need to do is let the glaze set up overnight, and what'll happen is the water will sit on top, and you can actually screen that off. So when I put my finger in there, you can see the water has separated from the glaze chemistry, and there now my finger's in the glaze chemistry. So before you rile that up, what you can do is take a little cup and put that in, and then slowly screen off a little bit of water. But that is how you measure specific gravity for finding the correct ratio of your glaze chemistry to water.